back to Guga Food, guys. Today I'm gonna do a Brazilian appetizer for you guys, which we always make when we're making barbecue. It's fantastic and I hope you enjoy it. Let's do it. To start off this appetizer, this ground beef is 80-20, 20% fat. Remember, exact amount on the description down below. Here are all the spices: garlic powder, smoked paprika, chili powder, onion powder, fresh organic thyme. Drizzle some olive oil, sea salt, and mix it well. Guys, it's very important to keep the meat cold all the time, so my meat still is very cold, okay? And as soon as we're done with this, we're gonna put it back in the refrigerator. But here's the next step. Now I'm gonna let it rest for a little bit so that all those nice flavors combine together. Remember, exact amount on the description down below. Now that our barbecue is ready, our meat has been here for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We are ready to prepare it. Let's do it. Now we're ready. I'm gonna be cooking them in direct heat at 450 degrees. Let's do it. 450 for 15 minutes. Another 5 minutes and that's it, guys. You ready to try this, Angel?
I was born ready.
Man, this looks really fantastic. I've done several times and it's really good. You hear that crunch?
It's crunchy, but it's still like, it still has the softness in the middle.
It's moist inside.
So it's not like crunchy all the way through.
Yep.
Which is good because that'd be like,
how is it? Tell us.
I don't want to eat a cracker. right there, that little middle spot where you dug it in. If they get right there, they're gonna fall in love. Because I just bit into that and I was like, that was a good part.
It's like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. When you get deeper, it gets better, huh, Andrew?
It gets really good.
When you put the tomato helps with the moisture, so it's really good. Super moist inside, wonderful flavors. I really hope you guys give this one a go and let me know how you like it. Like always, there's people behind the camera ready to eat with us and they're complaining, telling us to hurry up. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe down below. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is in the description below. Thank you so much and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Another thing you can do instead of creating nice seasoned meat is just open up a sausage. If you open up a sausage, use the meat inside of the sausage, spread it out on the bun, and you're good to go. These turned out really good, but unfortunately we have no more. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.